How to turn off YouTube share control notification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off YouTube share control notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. So here as you can see, the notification from the share device. Now let's turn this off. To do that, you simply need to go to the settings. Once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and look for the option Google. Once you have found it, simply tap on it and you will be prompted to the Google service section. From there, simply tap on all service button. Now, scroll down and tap on cast options under connected device and sharing. And here on the cast option section, you will see media control notification. Now toggle it off. By doing this will stop those notifications from appearing on your device. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily disable those YouTube share control notification on your mobile device. It's quick and keep your notification clutter free. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.